Burning Man is not Coachella or Tomorrowland. It's not your typical music festival. There are no main stage, there are no lineup, no main focus on an artist at all. But it doesn't mean that music doesn't play an important part at Burning Man. Yes, it does, but it takes a backstage compared to the overall experience of the art and experiencing art and bonding with the community. While there are some major music performances, but the overall focus of entire Burning Man is all about art and the community. So if you are planning to visit Burning Man thinking that it's your typical music festival, you might want to rethink. But if you are open to a completely unique, out-of-the-world experience, then Burning Man might just be the right thing for you. Then what the hell is Burning Man? Burning Man is an annual week-long art festival that happens in the middle of nowhere in Black Rock Desert of Nevada. Over 70,000 people attend Burning Man event every year, and people visit from all around the world. The festival is known for its unique culture, art, and community. I attend Burning Man not just to experience a creative and artistic vibe, but also to discover my own creative side and find myself. Burning Man is an experiment with 10 very strong principles. It's an experimental city run solely on self-reliance, creativity, and community. The event is based on 10 principles, including radical self-reliance, radical self-expressions, gifting, and communal effort. These principles encourage participants to be self-sufficient to express themselves freely. Burning Man is also a leave no trace event, meaning that participants are expected to clean up after themselves and not leave any trace of their stay. Anything out of place is considered moved and strongly taken care of by the participants. You are expected to bring everything you need to survive for a week-long event, including food, water, shelter, and toilet rolls. There are no commercial vendors at Burning Man, so everything must be brought with you. The event is also known for its large-scale art installations. These can be found throughout the event site and often incorporate fire and other interactive elements. I won't be wrong if I say it's a place where you can find yourself and your purpose in life. That's right, Burning Man has become a spiritual experience for many people. You will leave with a new sense of self-awareness and personal growth. The type of transformation that only happens when you step out of your everyday routine and enter an alternate reality filled with art, positivity, and other open-minded individuals. Should you go to Burning Man? If you're looking for a once-in-a-lifetime experience that will push you outside your comfort zone and help you grow as a person, Burning Man is for you. If you're nervous about going to Burning Man solo, don't be. The event is welcoming and friendly to all. You will find that there are thousands of people who are eager to make new friends and share their experiences. What to expect at Burning Man? You can expect to be pushed outside your comfort zone, to try new things and meet new people. There are many events and activities taking place at the festival. You will also be exposed to some of the most unique, creative, and artistic things you will ever see. You will see things such as gigantic metal sculptures, interactive art installations, and perhaps even meet some burners dressed in their elaborate costumes. It's a celebration of art and human connection. At its core, Burning Man is about bringing people together to create something beautiful. Whether it's work of art, a performance, or simply a conversation, everything at Burning Man is about creating and sharing. That's what makes it such a special place. Tickets are available through the Burning Man website. All the important dates about registration and ticket sale are listed. You have to pre-register on Burning Man website with your valid ePlaya profile ID, register for the sale you are interested in, and buy tickets the moment it's on sale. Remember, tickets get sold out in seconds the sale opens, so make sure you don't miss any seconds. There are plenty of ways to travel light and still have an amazing time. Opt for a camping setup that doesn't require too much gear. A simple tent and a sleeping bag will do the trick. Pack versatile clothing that can be layered to keep you warm or cold depending on the conditions. Plan ahead and research the best way to get to and from Black Rock City. Flying into Reno is usually the most convenient option, and Burner Express is the best option to get you to Playa. Book your hotel stay in Reno and bike for Playa in advance. Hotels often get sold out, so it's better to book in advance. Consider 2 days in advance and 2 days after the event. You can't fully enjoy Burning Man without a bike, so pre-book your bike in Reno. Find the right camp to camp with. One of the most important things to consider is which camp you are going to camp with. There are varieties of factors that go into choosing the right camp, but one of the most important is whether or not the camp is welcoming to the international visitors. There are numbers of ways to find out if a camp is open to international visitors. One is to check the Burning Man website, which has a list of registered camps. Another is to ask around in online forums and chat room dedicated to Burning Man. Choose a camp that resonates with you. There are thousands of camps. Some camps organize yoga and meditation classes, while others on art or service projects. Once you have found a camp that you think might be good fit, it's time to get to know the camp and campmates in advance. Ask lots of questions. Register for work shifts and other camp duties. You don't have to stick to the camp for 24 hours, but couple of hours of daily shift is essential. Being part of the camp helps in reducing various issues. Some camps have generator, fully functional kitchen, shower, dedicated chill lounge for hot summers, dedicated shelter, etc. Different camps offer different services in Playa, like lavender spa camp, karaoke bar camp, breakfast bagel camp, putt painting camp, bike repair camp, wellness camp, etc. and etc. No matter what your interest is, there is a camp in Playa for you to join and participate. You can reach out to these camps in advance, get accepted, pay nominal camp dues, and become part of it. The camp you join will eventually become your family. Being part of the camp also helps you make friends easily. Survival tips for Burning Man. Pack light. The less you have to carry, the better. You don't need a lot of clothes. Just make sure to pack some light, breathable layers that you can layer up or down as temperature changes. As well as bringing plenty of water with you, make sure you keep your body and your skin hydrated by drinking lots of fluids and applying sunscreen and lip balm regularly. The desert can be a dusty place, so make sure you pack some goggles or a bandana to protect your eyes and face from the dust storms that can occur. Wear closed-toe shoes and consider packing some extra socks in case your feet get sore from all the walking and dancing. It gets really dark at night. Make sure you put more than enough light in your bike. Light up yourself at night. When you think you have enough light and batteries, add more. It's better to go with extra batteries and light than run out of batteries and light. It can totally spoil the fun. And talking about fun, have fun. Burning Man is all about having fun. So let loose and enjoy yourself. Let your inner child come out and explore. What to pack for Burning Man? Assuming you have already got the basics like tent, sleeping bag and food, here are some other essential items to pack for Burning Man. Dust mask. The desert dust can be really intense, so make sure to pack a good dust mask. Whether it's sunglasses or goggles, you will want to keep the desert sun and dust out of your eyes. Sunscreen. Yes, even in the desert, it's important to protect your skin from sun. You will want to bring some snacks. Trail mix and pickles are the best solution in Burning Man. First aid kit, always good to have on hand, just in case. Bike. A bike is the best way to get around at Burning Man. Make sure yours is in good condition and that you have a spare tire and pump. I have compiled a list of essentials which you can download for free from the link in description. Burning Man helped me overcome my fear of being different. I never thought I would say this, but Burning Man changed my life. I went to the festival not knowing what to expect and came out feeling like a new person. Before Burning Man, I was afraid of being different. I was always the odd one out, the quiet one, introvert, and felt like I didn't fit in anywhere. But at Burning Man, I realized that being different is a good thing. There are so many people at the festival who are all unique in their own way. And that's what makes the experience so special. I overcame my fear of being different at Burning Man. And now, I feel like I can do anything. If you are thinking about going to the festival, I would highly recommend it. It's an experience unlike any other, and you might just come out of it a changed person like me. If you are attending Burning Man for the first time, I have some tips for you. First and foremost, be prepared for the unexpected. You never know what daily life will look like at Burning Man, so be flexible and open to change. Put your comfort zone aside. You are probably going to experience some things that make you feel a bit uncomfortable or challenged. That's okay, it's all part of the experience. Burning Man is an event that encourages you to be yourself and who you want to be. You will probably experience some amazing things and meet amazing people too. Burning Man will make you want to come back again. Don't be afraid to get involved. While Burning Man may seem daunting at first, the best way to enjoy is to dive right in. Have an open mind. One of the best things about Burning Man is that it attracts people from all walks of life. Be open-minded and embrace the diversity of those around you. You never know who you will meet. Get involved in as many activities as possible, meet new people, and let yourself go with the flow. Burning Man taught me about love. I always thought that I'm not the type of person who enjoys large crowd, loud music, copious amount of dust. But after my first burn, what I found was I enjoy community of people who are open and loving. I met people who taught me a lot about what it means to truly love someone. When it comes to love, everyone have their own definition of what love means to them. For some, love is simply a feeling of strong affection, while for others, it's an all-consuming emotion that completely takes over their life. No matter what your definition of love is, one thing is for sure, that it can never be defined by the books. Each and every love is different, and that's what makes it so special. Whether it's a love between a mother and a child, two friends, or a couple, each one is unique and special on their own way. One place that truly embodies the concept of unique and different love, it's Burning Man. It's at Burning Man where you can find all sorts of different expressions of love, whether it's a love between two people or the love of humanity as whole. Burning Man is a place where love shines in all through its forms. So that was a video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions about Burning Man, you can leave them on the comment below. You can follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. And I will see you on my next video. Ciao.